How to film and edit YouTube videos on your phone? To film and edit YouTube videos on your phone, you will need to follow these steps. Choose a topic. Decide on a topic that you want to film a video about. This will help you stay focused and organized while filming and editing. Set up your phone. Make sure your phone is charged and has enough storage space to accommodate the video. You may also want to invest in a tripod or phone stand to help keep your phone steady while filming. Film your video. Choose a well-lit location to film your video and try to keep the camera as steady as possible. Use the camera app on your phone to record your video. Edit your video. There are several video editing apps available for smartphones, such as iMovie, Filmora, and Adobe Premiere. These apps allow you to trim and cut your video, add music and effects, and create transitions between scenes. Upload your video. Once you have finished editing your video, upload it to YouTube using the YouTube app on your phone. You can add a title, description, and tags to help people find your. Promote your video. Share your video on social media and other platforms to get more views. You can also use YouTube's tools to promote your video to specific audiences. Remember to always respect copyright laws when using music or other content in your videos. It is also a good idea to practice good online etiquette by being respectful and polite in your videos and comments.